Are we going?
Yeah.
Hola, amigos. Welcome to the Super Mario Super Pizza Show, where I'm your Chef Chase here. We're gonna cook some pizza. All right, come on, we need some fresh ingredients for this super pizza. All right, we got that spicy 2% milk. Delicious. We got that flour. All right, we got this is the tomato, or the zomato, as the kids like to say. We got the pizza mozzarella. All right, you got that Bertolli oil, and then you got that. Ooh, look at that. That's some beautiful pepperoni. You want to spice it up? You use French's mustard. That's what I'm talking about. Hola, amigos. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. All right. So first, what you want to do is you want to knead the dough. So, well, before you knead the dough, you want to make the dough. So we're gonna be mixing the flour, and with a little egg. What's up? All right. So what you're gonna do is you'll find yourself kneading the dough pretty good. You're gonna want to add a little oil to it. You know, the olive oil when you're mixing it together. That way, it's all nice and fluffy. So what we got here is, ooh, look at this. Carry it into your province. So when the dough is setting, you want to start cutting your ingredients. So first you got your cheese. You got your. Are we gonna phone them, or are we just gonna do it online?
Yeah, we'll just do it online.
Cut the pepperoni. You want to make sure your tomato sauce is looking zesty. I would not recommend substituting ketchup. That's a bad idea. Yo,
Building pizza. You want a large?
Yeah, we want a large.
You want a medium?
No, we want that large.
Okay. Next.
We want normal amount of sauce?
Yes!
All right,
why would
cool.
you want more?
I don't know. Why wouldn't you want more?
No.
Like cheese? No thanks. Pepperoni? Hell yeah. Double or triple?
What? You can triple it?
You can triple the pepperoni. Double pep is like a good amount of pep, right? Double should be the normal amount of pepperoni. Don't let anyone fool you. Ooh, 50% off any carryout pizza. That's how we do it. And you want anything else?
Don't you have to put the pizza in the oven for 40 minutes?
So once you're done cutting up the ingredients, you're gonna want to layer them all real nice. So then they're gonna be put in the oven. So you want to whip out your oven.
Dude, order the no, give me the lava cake lava.
Can we get in the lava cake?
Yeah.
Maybe you want some extras? I don't know. Maybe you're that kind of guy. Big dab. Here we go. Your info. Oh yeah. Wait, Liam, yours is already saved.
What? No.
Yeah, it is.
No. Dang it.
Woo! Yo, look at that. Our pizza's ready to go. We just gotta wait for it to get out of the oven. Big home. Don't call me Chef Excellence for nothing. Getting the pizza. Getting the pizza.
We're on our way to the oven.
Oh, let's go get the pizza. Mamma mia. Mamma pizza. Mozzarella.
There it is.
There's the oven. Getting that pizza. Now that's how you cook a fresh homemade pizza. Yo, they actually smell really good.
Yeah, I know. That's what we got.
Smells like diabetes. Oh, you want to get a photo of the goods? All right, start with this. The full meal. Oh, double pep. Pretty good. I can't even close the box, so we're gonna get cold pizza by the time we get home. And I don't even know what this looks like. Oh, now it's kind of home baked. This has been Super Pizza with the Super Mario Brothers, even though we're not related, so don't worry about it.
This video is brought to you in part by Domino's Canada. Domino's Canada serving you pizza since 1966.
Even though they sponsor this content.
They sponsor this content.
Let's go.
Hey, Zach. Eat your heart out.
Hey, Liam just fell down the stairs!
I consumed Zach and now I have his power.
Joking.